Buongiorno and welcome to Italian Week 3. How did you go with the numbers last week? Bene? Si? Bravi. Welcome to Pisa. No, I'm not really in Pisa. I am at home, but I told you last week I will take you around Italy, and today we are in Pisa. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. You can go all the way at the top. It does really lean, and when you are walking all the way to the top, you're walking on the side, and it feels very strange, but it's also fun. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show you the PowerPoint that you can access on Compass in the learning task. So this is the PowerPoint just like last week. There are slides you can go back and forth on as much as you like. You click on these sound bars and you can hear me say what is on the slide in Italian and in English. All right, so since we can't be at school and mark the roll and practice our Italian, I'm going to try and do it through our PowerPoints each week. I'm going to have a roll question that I'm going to ask you, and then you can jump onto Compass Learning Task in the conversation section and write, Ciao Connie, and then answer the roll question. This week is Buongiorno, come stai? Hi, how are you? Bene? Così. Male. How are you feeling today? Let me know on Compass. All right, let's go through the PowerPoint. Our engage is once again the Italian alphabet. Now, I have found the alphabet song, you know, the one that we sing, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I have found the Italian version of the alphabet song. They sing the 21 letters of the Italian alphabet, and they go A, B, C, D, all the way through their 21 letters. It's lots of fun. When you jump onto the PowerPoint, click on the link and listen to it at least once or twice. You can click on here and you can practice the Italian alphabet along with me, or we can do it right now in the video. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, lunga, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'll go a bit slower on the PowerPoint. Okay, learning intention, same as last week's. Oggi impariamo a contare in italiano. We are learning to count in Italian. To be successful today, we can repeat the numbers in Italian. On the PowerPoint, as well as this video, I will be counting in Italian a few times. Repeat the numbers after me. We can say the numbers correctly. We need to try and use the pronunciation they would use in Italy. So we're not going to say you know, like the card game that we all like to play. We're going to say uno. And we can ask and answer the question, quanti anni hai? How old are you? Which we have done before in class. Okay, this slide is counting from 0 to 10. So click on the sound bar, practice along with me as many times as you need to or would like to. Get your fingers ready and do it with your fingers to help you remember. And let's have a go once on the video. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, click on it as many times as you need to and practice the numbers. Okay, this slide has a song to help teach you the numbers in Italian. If you click on this, press play, there is a song that plays. It goes through twice, like the Ciao Buongiorno song. So listen to it a few times, see if you can remember, see if you can recognize some of the numbers that it says. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3 fiori, 4, 5, 6 fiori, 7, 8, 9 fiori, 10 fiorellini. So if you like, when you press play on the PowerPoint, count along with your fingers. Okay, we are going to revise quanti anni hai? How old are you? So we have learnt to answer this question in class. We're going to just revise it today because we've learnt the numbers. Now we can apply them in answering questions like, how old are you? Quanti anni hai? So practice answering the question in Italian. Io ho anni. I am years old. In that break, in that gap, use the Italian word for your age. Io ho 5 anni. Or io ho 6 anni. Or io ho 7 anni. Or io ho 8 anni. Or some of you might be 9. Io ho 9 anni. Again, you can click on these and you can hear me ask and answer the question in Italian. So, quanti anni hai? Io ho, your age, anni. Your task today is to answer the question quanti anni hai for yourself, to ask other people in your family how old they are, quanti anni hai, and to answer the question themselves. They're going to look at you strangely when you say quanti anni hai. They're going to say, huh? So you need to say quanti anni hai? How old are you? They are going to answer you in English. You need to come to this PowerPoint, click on this slide, and try and find the word for their age. So 1 all the way to 10. If they are older than 10, write to me on Compass and I will tell you how to say their age. But if you ask your brothers or sisters, it is likely that they will be between 1 and 10. Okay, so grab a piece of paper or a book, write the question, quanti anni hai? And then answer it. So for example, io ho 8 anni. I am 8 years old. You do not need to write the English translation, but you can if you want to. Then ask your brothers or sisters, cousins or friends, how old they are. Quanti anni hai? They are going to answer you in English. So like I said, go to this slide, find the word that you need, and then write their answer. I did this with my kids. So I went up to my daughter and I asked her, quanti anni hai, Charlotte? And she said 7. So I wrote, Charlotte ha 7 anni. Then I asked my son, I said, quanti anni hai, William? And he said 6. So I wrote down, William ha 6 anni. So I want your piece of paper or your book to look like this. You can ask 1 or 2 people. You can ask your brothers or sisters. Call your cousins if mum and dad let you on the phone and just say, quanti anni hai? How old are you? And write down the answer in Italian. Then you need to upload your response to the learning task on Compass. You can take a photo of the piece of paper you wrote it on and upload that, or you can write it directly on Compass in the conversation section. You can say, ciao Connie, I asked my brother Sam quanti anni hai. He told me he is 6. Sam ha 6 anni. And then I know that you have done the task. This is your vocab slide. This has the numbers from 1 to 10. You can hear me speak them there. And these are the words, the number words that you can use to write your sentences. Then at the very end, I have a YouTube clip. It is a little story called Spotty sa contare, Spot can count. And it's about Spot. He goes to the farm and he counts all the animals. So it's good fun. It's a bit of practice and it's me reading the story. Again, you don't have to, it's just a bit of fun. All right, if you have any questions about the learning task, please jump on Compass and send me a message to say, I need help with this, or can you show me how to do that? All right, so we are done. Have a lots of fun. I will see you next week. Arrivederci.